welcome to Jules Life and Pokey Vibes channel. Today we're over here at a light event that they're having over here. It has Christmas decorations and a bunch of lights. Right now it's on the jumping pillow. It has a huge jump on it. It's pretty cool. I went on it 2 times and right now we're gonna see if we could go on one of those. What are they called again, Mom?
Like the hay rides?
Yeah. So we're gonna like and subscribe and follow us, and we'll let y'all know in the next video.